Exporting designs from Figma to Klaviyo involves preparing your email design in Figma and transferring it for use in Klaviyo's email editor. Here's how to do it. Prepare your design in Figma. Set dimensions. Ensure the email width is set to 600 pixels. The height can vary depending on your content. Organize components. Use Figma layers for each design element to make it easy to export. Slice elements. If you're exporting individual images, buttons, or graphics, use Figma's slice tool to define export areas. Export assets. Select each element or slice you want to export. Go to the right panel in Figma and click Export. Choose the appropriate format and resolution. Export all assets to a folder on your computer. Recreate the layout in Klaviyo. Open Klaviyo's email editor. Upload your exported assets to Klaviyo's media library. Recreate your Figma layout using Klaviyo's drag and drop blocks. Add text, images, and buttons as necessary.